In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Trello board. By the end, you'll have a fresh board ready to organize tasks, projects, or anything you want to track visually. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your favorite search engine. In the search box, type Trello and press Enter. Click the official Trello website in the results to go to the home page. If you're prompted to log in or create an account, go ahead and do that so you can create and save your board. Once you're on the Trello home screen, look toward the top of the page near the search bar and click the Create button. A small menu will appear. Choose Create Board. This opens the board setup window where you'll define the basics of your new space. Enter a clear descriptive title for your board. Think about how you or your team will recognize it later. Something like Marketing Sprint, Personal Tasks, or Event Planning. A good title makes it easier to spot the right board when you have several. Next, set the visibility. This controls who can see your board. Private means only you and people you explicitly invite will have access. Public means anyone on the internet can view the board, and it can be indexed by search engines. Choose the option that matches your needs and organization's policies. If you're just starting or working with sensitive information, private is typically the safest choice. For this demonstration, we'll select Public. When you choose Public, Trello will show a confirmation message. Click Yes, make board public to proceed. This is a helpful safeguard to remind you that the board's contents will be visible to anyone with the link, so only keep shareable information on it. With your title and visibility set, click Create. Trello will instantly generate your new board and open it for you. Now you can begin building your workflow by adding lists and cards. Lists usually represent stages or categories. Common examples are to do, doing, and done. But you can label them however you like. Inside each list, add cards to represent individual tasks or items. Cards can hold details such as descriptions, checklists, due dates, attachments, and comments. As work progresses, you can drag cards between lists to reflect their status. This simple structure makes it easy to see what's planned, what's in progress, and what's completed at a glance. And that's it. You've created a Trello board, adjusted its visibility, and you're ready to organize with lists and cards. Happy planning!